The week is finally here. It's moving week. I feel like we've been trying to find an apartment. Well, we've been trying to find an apartment for like 2 months. This apartment, I don't remember if I said this in my last vlog, but this apartment that we ended up getting, like the weirdest situation because, oh, also hi and welcome. Okay, I'm a terrible vlogger. Hello and welcome back. Anyway, this apartment that we ended up getting is a hilarious story because we actually like really loved the apartment. We fell in love with it off of Street Easy and then went out to dinner to celebrate finding an apartment that we finally loved because we've gone through just like so many duds. And when we were at that dinner, because Grant and I just love to celebrate things prematurely, while we were at that dinner, they emailed me and we're like, somebody else handed in an application, sorry. And I emailed them back and was like, please let me know if it doesn't work out because like we're really interested. We hadn't even toured it yet. Like we had not even seen this place in person. So then next week we go on vacation, we're at the beach. The night before we come back, they email me again and they're like, the application fell through. If you want to apply, if you want to tour it, let us know. So Grant and I actually applied for this place before we even toured it because we were like, we're not losing it this time. So we toured it and found out, or I guess we applied and then on the tour found out that we were approved for the application. Such a process to get here, and it is finally the week. So I filmed an empty apartment tour yesterday. So this is the front door. Right over here we have the bathroom. This is way bigger, hello, than our last one. It has 3 of these, which is nice. Okay, so then over here we have the living room. Pretty decent size for New York. Love the exposed brick. This is the best part. We're in the back of the building, but we're on like the pretty, like almost the top floor. So we get pretty good natural light in here, like except for the kitchen, there's not a light turned on and it's pretty bright, honestly. So that's nice, but it's in the back of the building, so it's nice and quiet. And then we have a little fireplace. This is the closet, like the coat closet. So our plan is to do like couch, TV, you know, like all of this stuff here, and then do a dining table in the middle right here. And what's cool about that light is that it's actually a dimmer light right over here. We can dim it, so that's kind of nice for like movie night and stuff. Set a mood. Fireplace, which I'm obsessed with. I think we're gonna put Harley's food down there since we can't do like candles or anything with the dog. So this might be like Harley's corner, and then I'm gonna decorate the top of this. I'm very excited. Have lots of plans for right here. Bedroom, it's right here. So it is a little bit tight, a little bit tighter than our last one, but that's okay because the living room is so great. And honestly, we're not really gonna spend much time in the bedroom except to like sleep. So I don't really mind a smaller bedroom. So yeah, that's that. Here's what it looks like from this side. Closet right there with some overhead storage, which we love. The light is on the side. I have never seen that, or on the wall, I should say. I've never seen that in an apartment, but I don't mind it. So then right across here, oh my God, how funny is this? This is like how we let people into the front door. Like this is our buzzer. We were wondering why there was a phone when we were touring, and the broker was like, oh yeah, that's just your buzzer. And then we have the kitchen. We're getting a new stove, hopefully. And then lots of cabinet space. In here, there's the fridge. So yeah, we're just figuring out how we're gonna set everything up, but this is the starting place. Today we are moving in some clothes, some like little stuff, and then on Friday, that is like the big moving day. Today is Wednesday, so we have today, tomorrow, and Friday before we want to be like officially moved out. We're gonna sleep there on Friday night. I'm so excited. I cannot believe it, and I honestly don't even feel like we have truly, like we have this apartment yet. Like I'm not gonna feel that until we've slept there for like a week, and then I'm gonna be like, okay, cool, no one can take it away from us now. But yeah, so I'm very excited. Grant's on his way home, and he should be here any minute. And we are going to pack up some stuff and take it over to the new place. All right, we are in the apartment, cleaning it up.
Watch this.
Functional fitness.
You know what I'm saying?
Just cleaned out the kitchen a little bit. Nothing looks different, it's just cleaner. And then
It looks so
hanging up our clothes. Best thing ever is that we gotta put our hoodies, because we have way too many hoodies, both of us do, and all of our jackets and stuff in a separate closet, which honestly saves so much room.
just an incredible amount.
We both just have like a
Well,
pretty...
seriously, so like in the winter, fall, like your outfit is your hoodie.
Yeah, very true.
So it's like
It's like a shirt.
it's like a shirt.
Grant had to go to work, so I'm just doing some more cleaning by myself. I'm gonna open this. I just locked it. I'm gonna open this. Oh my god, okay, I need 2 hands. Okay, so Grant just went to work really quick because he has to do a session and then he's gonna come back. So I'm just cleaning a little bit. Honestly, like we're pretty much ready. I've just dusted, vacuumed, mopped. Well, we both did, not just me. But like the whole apartment, so it's pretty much good to go, ready for stuff to come in. I always feel like, especially in New York, a deep clean before you move is so necessary. And after cleaning, I'm like, wow, yeah, it didn't even look dirty, but it really needed that. And my throat is starting to hurt just because of like all the dust. So that's not fun. Okay, so it is, I still have like 30 minutes until Grant is done and then he's gonna come back. So I'm deciding what I wanna do. The lighting in here though is 10 out of 10. I think I might vacuum again because I dusted the windows. They were so gross. Like I didn't even know windows could be so disgusting, but they were so gross. So I think I might vacuum like right in front of the windows again and get that dust up. I feel like I'm at a stopping point. Like I don't really know what else to do. I've unpacked everything that I can unpack. I feel like everything is clean. So now I just have to wait for Grant. It's been quite the week. Yesterday started off very stressful. I like didn't vlog at all because we were just trying to figure out where everything goes and all of that kind of stuff. So it was honestly like such a hectic and like high stress day. Today, not so much. Today it's like just actually doing it. So yeah, I hope everything goes smoothly. We're gonna have a few friends come over and help us this afternoon. I actually have to go to work and do a session. What are you up to this morning?
Everything else.
Oh, Grant's gonna organize everything for the move, go pick up the truck. He rocks. I'm gonna go pick up pastries for the fam.
Pick up some bread, literal and figurative, like money.
Oh, because I have to go to work.
She
Yeah,
has to work and I don't.
You're right. It's a bread run.
Get you a girl who does both. Bakes.
I'm not baking
stop.
it. I'm not baking
say
it.
bakes and bakes, but it doesn't make any sense.
What?
6:15.
Oh. All right, Grant went to go get the truck. This is the current living room situation. Our couch breaks down, which is maybe the most convenient thing for this move. Hi, Harley. Are you wondering what the heck is going on? She is so anxious. Yeah, so that's rug, shelf, literally everything. Bathroom is pretty much empty. I just have to take out some of my stuff. Yeah, we hung this on a shelf right here, and honestly that worked so well. So if you have like a coffee maker or anything that's like, I mean this is pretty heavy, and we just put a shelf right here and like it worked pretty well. We're getting rid of this, but we need to take all the stuff off of it. Bought everyone some pastries who's helping us move. So we have croissants, cinnamon rolls. These are chocolate cinnamon rolls, and the girl was like, I promise they're amazing, so I trust her. And then under there is a raspberry, I forget what it's called. It's essentially a Pop-Tart, just fancy. Yes, wine glasses in these beer holders. Thank you, Bodega next door. And then the bedroom. Ah, how wild. Also shout out to Grant because he did all of this by himself when I was at work, so That's incredible. This is so wild. Are you wondering what is going on? We have to crate her whenever we leave because there's just like so much stuff around that if she bumped into it, it could fall and we don't want her to get hurt. But I can tell it's making her very anxious. Yeah, so Grant's running to get the car. A couple of friends are coming over and then we are gonna get this show on the road. I am so excited to be sleeping in our new place tonight. All right, Harley's first look in the apartment. Gotta unlock the door. What is this place? What is this? Do you smell our stuff? Oh, no, come here. Dog on the loose. Oh, trying to get my key out of the door. Welcome home! Well, we can't get into the bedroom, but we did.
Oh my god!
Yay! Thanks, fam. Yay! All right, we have one last trip to take downstairs. Can just two of us carry all of this? What do you think, Grant?
The answer is you have to.
When you really don't want to walk up 3 flights of stairs again. Okay, we did not get it all in the last trip.
It's not possible.
It wasn't gonna happen. All right, 3C. Goodbye. All right, fam, so I'm about to end the vlog, but I wanted to give you a final update for this vlog. Grant was really great and cleaned this morning, so it looks pretty nice comparatively. And I'll tell you a little bit about what we have finally decided to do with the place. And yeah, you okay?
Wait.
So the bathroom is a little bit of a mess because we don't have anywhere to put our towels yet, but we did get a shower curtain with some fringe, but we have to cut the fringe because the original is too long. So we're cutting it, but it's quite a process. And then in here, this is still a mess. We're gonna move that mirror here, hung up something for our keys. We need to figure out how to mount this into the brick. That will be an adventure. Everything is pretty much the same here. Still working on finding a couch. A little bit more organized. All of our shoes. And then here what we're gonna do is get a couple of benches, put them against there, and then along here, so that way we don't lose a ton of the space in the middle. Bedroom looks exactly the same, nothing has changed. This is kind of the vibe, except not that one, because that one's for the kitchen. But yeah, other than that, it's coming along pretty nicely. Wouldn't you say so, Grant?
Yes.
So stay tuned to see, you know, what else we do. I'm sure things will change as we get more stuff and figure it out. Harley loves mango, so she will beg for it every time we bring them out. But I hope you enjoyed our little moving vlog. I'm excited to see what we do with the apartment. So I hope you are too, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.